Welcome back to another New York Red Bulls game day vlog, and I know today it already looks different. So for those of you who don't know, I usually go to almost every New York Red Bulls home game, and I just recently started vlogging them. If you haven't watched any of those vlogs, they're all on my channel if you want to go ahead and just watch some of them. But today I did it a little bit differently, just trying to try out different formats, see what kind of content you guys like so I can bring you guys what you guys want. I usually talk before, during, after the game, but today I just recorded just a couple of videos at the stadium to show you guys the sights and the sounds, see what the atmosphere is like in the arena. So let me know what format you guys like better. Do you guys like me talking to other people, talking to other fans? Would you guys rather just see like the atmosphere at the game kind of thing? And today we have another thing that is brand new, as I am doing my first ever giveaway. We have a Daniel Edelman bobblehead. It was superhero night at Red Bull Arena, so we got these Daniel Edelman bobbleheads, and he was actually nice enough to sign one of them so I can give it away to you guys. And all you guys have to do is just subscribe to the channel and all my other links. They're all posted down in the description below. Once I get to 100 subscribers, I'm going to be giving this bobblehead away to one of you guys, as long as you're also following me on TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. So once you do all that, comment down below. I hope you guys enjoy this video, just showing you guys the atmosphere of what an MLS game is like. And let me know if you guys want me to talk, if you guys just rather see the atmosphere in the game. And without further ado, let's get right into Red Bull Arena.